Exercise 2.5, question number 4. We need to divide 7.9 divided by 1000. So here we see that there are three zeros, and we know that when we divide, so decimal point will move towards the left. So here there are three zeros, so decimal point is going to move three digits to the left. So we will write down here 79, and the point is going to move from here three digits to the left, so we need to place two zeros more here. Point will come here, so our answer will be 0.0079. In the same way, we can go for the next one. 26.3 divide by 1000. So again the point will go three digits to the left. In division, point goes to the left. So there are only two digits. So we need to place a 0. So point will come here. So answer will be 0.0263. In the same way, the next one, 38.53 divide by 1000. So decimal point will go three digits to the left because there are three zeros. So decimal point will go three digits to the left. There are already two digits present. So what we need to do is we need to place one zero. So decimal point will come here. So it will be 0.03853. Now the next question, it is 128.9 divide by 1000. So we need to move the point three digits to the left because there are three zeros. Decimal point will go three digits to the left. So it will be 0.1289. Now the next one, 0.5 divided by 1000. So we can see that there are three zeros, 1000, three zeros. So the point will have to go three digits to the left. Only one zero is there, so we will put up two more zeros. So decimal point will come here, and the answer will be 0.005.